Welcome. In front of me is a Tecno Camon C8, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from SIM to the device. So if we open up the contacts right here, we'll have a list of all the contacts, which for the most part they are all located on the phone itself, or not on the phone but on the SIM card, as you can see by the icon right here. Apart from maybe this Tim right here, which is not it's already on the phone. So if you want to move the contacts from SIM, all you need to do is just tap on the dots right here and then press on the import export right here and choose the SIM card that they're located on. So for me it's the Play 2. Tap on next. I want to copy it to the phone. Yep. So next, and then you get a list of all the contacts that are on the SIM. So you get to select which one you want. You can select multiple or a single one, doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna stick with one, it's gonna be quicker. And then tap on the check mark and you will see that there is the number that has been moved to the device by the different icon. So you have basically two the same ones, and one is on the SIM and one is on the phone. So that is how you would copy the contact, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.